Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how you can use an Xbox gift card on your personal computer. An Xbox gift card actually functions as a Microsoft gift card, meaning its value is added directly to your Microsoft account balance. This universal currency allows you to purchase a wide variety of digital content on your PC, from exciting games to productivity applications. It's a single, convenient balance for all your Microsoft purchases. To redeem your Xbox gift card, simply navigate to the official Microsoft Redeem website using any web browser. You will need to sign in with the specific Microsoft account where you wish to add the funds. Carefully enter the unique 25-character code found on the back of your physical card or in your digital gift email. Once entered, the funds will immediately appear in your account balance, ready for use. With your funds now in your Microsoft account, head over to the Microsoft Store on your Windows computer. You can browse and purchase a vast selection of content, including many Xbox Play Anywhere games that work on both console and PC. Look for new PC games, useful applications, or even rent and buy the latest movies and TV shows. Your account balance will automatically be offered as a payment option when you check out. Always make sure the gift card you are redeeming matches the region of your Microsoft account to avoid any issues. Once redeemed, the value is securely tied to your digital balance and not the physical card. Feel free to combine several gift cards to save up for a bigger purchase, like a premium game or application. Your Microsoft account balance offers a convenient and flexible way to expand your digital library.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.